Ciao a tutti, miei bellissimi Italiani. Yes, hello, my beautiful Italians. I am back and I'm here to react to the winner of Sanremo 2020. And it is Diodato with the song, I have to check, Fai Rumore. I hope I've said that right, guys. I try so hard with my Italian pronunciation. Now, let's quickly talk about Sanremo. What a beautiful and classy evening that is. A long old evening, but we finally have our winner. I'm not sure yet whether this song is going to go to Eurovision in Rotterdam for Italy, but fingers crossed. It will, because it seems to have a lot of fans out there, so I'm looking forward to watching it. But I can't go on without shouting out to Mahmoud as well. What an amazing job he did for Italy in Tel Aviv last year. We all wanted to Soldi. Yes, love it. Second place, almost first. I was hoping for a trip to Italy for Eurovision this year, but it wasn't to be, so we're going to see what you guys might bring this year. But guys, before we go on, you know what to do. Don't forget to subscribe to the eurovoxx channel, hit that notification bell as well, give the video a like and a share, but otherwise, let's watch Diodato, Fai Rumore, and I'm going to let you know what I think. Here we go.
Sai che cosa penso? Che non dovrei pensare. Che se poi penso
So it sounds like it's going to be one of those beautiful Italian ballads.
tu sei un'anima, ma forse questo temporale.
Nice, like very soft beginning. It's already kind of giving me the goosebumps.
Lo so, non dovrei fare
Beautiful piano.
senza un ombrello, anche se ho capito che
Love his soft voice as well. I wonder if we're going to get some power though. Oh yes. Listen to that voice.
e non lo so se mi fa bene, se il tuo rumore mi conviene, ma fai rumore, sì,
Oh wow.
che non lo posso
Guys, it's already giving me the goosebumps. I don't know if you can see that.
naturale tra me e te. E me ne vado in giro
Oh, now a little bit of a beat.
senza un posto a cui arrivare, consumo le mie scarpe, forse le mie
Oh, it's
scarpe
beautiful.
sanno bene dove andare, che mi ritrovo negli stessi posti, proprio quei posti che dovevo evitare. E faccio
Beautiful chord structure as well.
e faccio finta di dimenticare, ma capisco che per quanto fugga torno sempre a te.
Oh, I love this. Here we go for the chorus again. Yes.
E non lo so se mi fa bene,
Loving this.
se il tuo rumore mi conviene, ma fai rumore.
So much power in this chorus.
Che non lo posso sopportare, questo silenzio innaturale tra me e te.
And he's got real emotion when he sings as well. Oh. Beautiful orchestra. This is why I love Sanremo. It's literally sending chills down the back of my spine. Yes.
Ma fai rumore,
Oh. Just listen to that orchestra.
posso sopportare questo silenzio innaturale.
It's actually making me feel quite emotional. Beautiful.
Di quel bellissimo rumore che fa.
Oh, he's emotional. Wow, wow, wow. Bene, Italiani. Italiano, I can't even speak properly. Love it. Grazie. You know what, guys? This is exactly what I love about Sanremo and Italian music. That is just pure class. Beautiful, beautiful ballad. Starts off very soft with the beautiful piano. Partway through, the beat comes in. You get that beautiful orchestra. I mean, I'm using the word beautiful a lot, but it was just stunning. Hearing that ballad kind of with the orchestra underneath, it just covered me in goosebumps. I could feel it down the back of my neck. Spine tingling stuff. Diodato, he's a new name to me. I'm not sure about his music before, but love his voice. Love the way he performs with such emotion as well. It's just pure class. That's all I can say about that song. Totally up my street. If it goes to Eurovision, which I think it sounds like it is going to go to Eurovision, that's going to do a great job. For me, it should be top 10 in Rotterdam. I know we've got so many more songs to come, but that is exactly why I love Italy in Eurovision and Italian music. That's what it's all about for me. Just beautiful, stunning, spine-tingling ballad. Love him. Even love his jacket. I need a jacket like that with all the sparkle. But yeah, just beautiful. I've used that word about 20 times already. But guys, I would love to know what you think of Diodato's song, the winner of Sanremo. Don't forget to let us know in the comments down below. Otherwise, go to our Facebook page, give us a like there, tweet us on Twitter, find us on Instagram. Otherwise, until next time, ciao.